Today I am going to share chicken fajitas samosas recipe. Served with green sauce. Samosas filling preparation. Oil 2 teaspoon. Chicken 1½ cup. Stir and fry. Fry until color changes. Salt to taste. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Ginger and garlic paste 1 teaspoon each. Green chili 1 tablespoon. Soy sauce 2 teaspoon. Mixed herbs 1 teaspoon. Stir and cook 6 to 7 minutes. Green red bell pepper, 1/4 cup each. Onion 1/2 cup. Stir and mix. Garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon. Mix. Cornstarch, surely. Stir continuously. Done. Dough preparation. Flour 2 cups. Black cumin, 1/2 teaspoon. Ghee 2 tablespoon. Mix it. Add normal water as required. Make a tight dough. Done. Cover with clean cloth. Rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, divided the dough. Take a one and cover up the rest of dough. Roll up. Make a flatbread. Not too thick or too thin. Cut into 2 pieces. Make a samosa shape. Apply water. Cook chicken as required. Apply water. Follow the steps. Done. All done. Can be frozen up to month. Deep fry. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Done. Thanks for watching.